Hello everyone, I'm Ms.Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor. When someone speaks easily and confidently, how do you describe that person? Morning. Whoa, you look super tired, Chi-Chi. What did you do last night? I spent 2 hours talking with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee? Oh, you're talking about your online Korean teacher. Wow, 2 hours? Yeah, he has the gift of the gab. The way he teaches with puns is awesome. I can't study Korean without him now. Such a nice motivation. Great. He could be your good learning inspiration. In this case, when someone speaking attracts you, you would say, he has the gift of the gab. In conversational Korean, we'd say, 말재주가 뛰어나다. 말 is a talk, and 재주 is a skill, gift. 뛰어나다 means excellent. For a gift, we are usually born with it, such as voice, beauty, height, and so on. We also use the word 타고났다. Today's expression has lots of variations, such as 말재주가 뛰어나다, 말주변이 좋다, 말을 잘한다. So, check out the Show More box below. Listen carefully and repeat this expression together. 말재주, 말재주, 말재주. 그 사람은 말재주가 좋아. 나는 말재주를 타고났어. Good job. Now, let's use this expression in real-life examples. What is your first wish if you met Genie in the lamp? My first wish is definitely 말재주를 갖는 거야. I get so nervous every time I speak in front of lots of people. What do you especially like about that store? You always purchase your stuff there. The saleswoman named Stella there. 그 사람은 말솜씨가 훌륭해. So persuasive. As soon as I talk with her, she knows everything I want. Don't forget to practice 말재주가 좋다 in your daily life, and I hope to see you again soon. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Ms.Kiki's channel so we can meet every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks for watching. Bye!